Hi. Procrastination. Now that's a word you're just not going to find in a Time Lord's vocabulary. And the motivation equation is a great tool to overcome procrastination. Yet there's another piece you can add to the equation that can really help you speed up your journey to becoming a Time Lord. So the motivation equation, just to remind you, is motivation equals expectancy times value divided by impulsivity times delay. Our motivation will always be driven by how fired up we are about getting something that we value and is important to us, and how confident we feel that we can have it. Our expectancy of achieving the result, to the extent we really want something and we really know we can get it, then we're more likely to show up, be focused and work hard. Then we need to make sure we don't dissipate our motivation by being easily distracted by shiny push notifications and the like. In other words, our impulsivity. And that we have micro goals, small steps we can take in front of us, so we're always making progress, instead of putting our goals on hold on Sunday Isle. In other words, delay. Do not underestimate this formula. It's really powerful and it has so much depth. So, throw your current motivation into the equation and look at the data and see which components you can improve. But, there's always a but, isn't there? There's a really important personal internal factor to take into account that makes this equation now look like this. Motivation equals energy times value times expectancy divided by impulsivity times delay. Fact is, if your energy is low, the whole equation could fall apart. When you're tired, you just don't see the world the same way. Literally. Research shows that people who are sleep deprived have bad memories for the good stuff, but good memories for the bad stuff. And that means you need to make raising your energy your number one priority. If you have a hard time getting out of bed, if you find yourself reaching for the snooze button, or you need a coffee fix to wake you up, or an energy drink to keep you going during the day, you're going to have a really hard time reaching your true potential, and you'll struggle to become a Time Lord. So a question for you to get to work on is, what's your number one thing you're going to start doing to eat, move, sleep, breathe and focus better? And just as importantly, what's the number one thing you're going to stop doing? It only works, so give it a go. You'll thank me later.